So by difference, the market is open with a little gap up, but the price failed to sustain. Market filled a gap here, and market came to 4600. 4600 tried to provide some support to the market, but as you can clearly see, the market is struggling. And at this moment, while recording the video, okay, market is trading below 4600. And my dear friends, we can clearly see the structure of the market is also not very positive here. So there are good chances that during the day we will see downside on the chart of gold. But we are on the 15-minute chart of gold, means whatever we are discussing are for day traders only. If you're a swing trader, I have already made it clear in my previous video also that this is not the ideal time for you. You need to look for opportunities outside gold, because swing traders, okay, you need swings in the market, or you need a good trend in the market. And right now we don't know what is the current trend of the market here. And if you're a position trader, then obviously you need to be on the buy side only, because you are holding gold for months and years. Okay, so whatever we are discussing here, strictly for day trading purpose only. So 4600 or 4595, 459, this is the current support of the market. But during the day, if market drops also, as a day trader, we can look for a support around 4575, okay, 4575 and 4560. So these are the next two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. If you're already part of our group, then you must know that I have made it clear that it is better to look for a buy, okay, after the liquidity sweep, because this is a fact that in the last couple of weeks, okay, market is just sweeping the liquidity and then going up. So here also today, if you see market is hitting 4575, okay, then wait for some time. There's a high chance that after sweeping the liquidity, market will be going up. And in case market crashes, where is the next support on the chart of gold? 4500, okay, is going to play a crucial role. But before 4500, if market stays like this, not much volume, then yeah, there is a high chance that okay, market will try to take support around this area. And obviously, as a day trader, we can look for a buy opportunities. Okay, if market breaks 4560, okay, there's a possibility that after hitting 4550, market will be going up. Okay, so after liquidity, we can look for a buy, and in case market takes support around 4550, there also we can buy. Okay, but keep in mind, market is sweeping liquidity first and then going up. So okay, let's try to buy like that only. Okay, and if market goes up from here, then 4650 and 4645, this is the level. You can see the dotted line here. Okay, here we can look for a sell opportunity. Okay, in a previous video, not previous video, last week around Friday, I guess, okay, we discussed about 466070. Remember the red zone here? From there we got a nice opportunity. This level is still very crucial and critical for the market, but before that level, I think day traders will find a selling opportunity around 5045, 4650, 4645. If market shows reversal or price rejection from above around this area, as a day trader, we can look for a sell opportunity here as well. Okay, so we can look for buy after liquidity sweep around this area, and here we can look for a sell position. Okay, and later on, if market breaks 466070, that's a different story we will discuss in the